Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a life plan in ClickUp so you can set professional goals and stay organized every step of the way. Whether you're looking to boost productivity, track your progress, or simply create a clear roadmap for your personal and professional life, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your preferred web browser and go to ClickUp. Once you're on the homepage, click the Login button in the top right corner. If you have a Google account, you can speed things up by clicking Sign in with Google. This saves time and keeps everything secure. After selecting your account, you'll be inside your ClickUp workspace, ready to start planning your goals. Next, locate the list where you want to create your life plan. Over here, click the three-dot menu, often called the More Options button, next to the list name. From the drop-down, select Templates. This is ClickUp's library of pre-made frameworks designed to help you start quickly without building everything from scratch. Type Life Plan into the search bar. This will filter the results to show templates specifically designed for goal setting. Once you find a template that fits your needs, hover over it and click Quick Use. This will instantly add the framework to your workspace. From here, you can start customizing it. Click the three dots next to each goal and select Rename to give it a meaningful title that aligns with your vision. You can also edit existing tasks, add new ones, or break bigger goals into smaller, actionable steps, making your life plan dynamic and focused. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're clear on your objectives before adding tasks, prioritize the most important goals first, and use descriptive names for each task to keep everything organized. Doing this beforehand can save time and help ensure your plan is actionable and effective. Once you've customized your template, review the tasks and milestones to make sure every step leads you closer to achieving your objectives. After that, you should be able to track your progress confidently and stay focused on what truly matters. It's also a good idea to revisit your life plan regularly, updating it as priorities evolve and new opportunities arise. Taking this extra step ensures your plan stays relevant and actionable. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create a life plan in ClickUp easily and efficiently, giving you clarity, direction, and motivation. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be looking to organize their goals. Why not make someone's day easier?